Hello, scholars. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So, scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 17. And the name of the chapter is Games We Play. It's a very interesting chapter. Scholars, before starting this chapter, let me ask you one question. Do you know why do we need to play? Okay, let me tell you. Scholars, playing games keeps us healthy and fit. Some games make our body strong and some exercise our minds. It gives us time to be with our friends. Games also refreshes our mind. We should play every day for some time. But all play and no studies is not good. Now here one question arises. That is, can we play all the games inside the house? Answer is no. We cannot play all the games inside the house. Scholars, some of the games are played in a park, while some can be played inside the house. So now we will discuss about the types of games. Scholars, there are two types of games: indoor games and outdoor games. Games which are played inside the house are called indoor games. Games like Ludo, Snake and Ladder, Carom, Dart, Chess, and video games are usually played inside the house. These are called indoor games. Now we will talk about outdoor games. Scholars, games which are played in a playground or a park are called outdoor games. So, games like cricket, hockey, football, volleyball, basketball, hide and seek, and kho are usually played outside in the open or in a playground. These are called outdoor games. Scholars, apart from games, we can also listen to music, read books, watch TV, and can play computer games. But scholars, if we watch TV or play on a computer for a long time, our eyes get tired and it can lead to eye strain and we may need to see a doctor. So, we should play games safely. So, scholars, I hope you all enjoyed this chapter. Here we come to the end of chapter number 17. And now it's time to do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. So, there are some points to remember. First point is playing games keeps us fit and healthy. Second point is there are two types of games: indoor games and outdoor games. Third point to remember is games that are played inside the house are called indoor games. For example, Ludo, chess, and carom. And the last point to remember is games that are played outside in the open or in playground are called outdoor games. For example, cricket and football. Now, scholars, it's time to do an exercise related to this chapter. So, I would like all of you to open page number 124 of your EVS book. And let's do this exercise that is given here. So, scholars, let us read out the question first. Question is, tick the right answer. For each sentence, 4 options are given. And from these 4 options, only one is correct and we need to put a tick on that. So, let's read out the first question. Which of the following games are played while sitting on a chair? So, is it football, chess, hide and seek, or skating? Which game we can play while sitting on a chair? Yes, chess. So, we will put a tick here. We can play chess while sitting also. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. In which of the following games do you have to run? So, is it skipping, Kho-Kho, carom, or snake and ladder? So, in skipping, you don't have to run. In carom and snake and ladder also, you can play these games while sitting on a chair. But in Kho-Kho, you have to run. So, the correct answer is Kho-Kho. So, we will put a tick here. Okay. Now, let's move on to the third one. Dash is or are played with a ball. Let's see which game is played with a ball. Is it football, cricket, tennis, or all of these? Yes, the correct answer is all of these, because to play football or cricket or tennis, we need a ball. We cannot play without a ball. So the correct answer is all of these. Okay, let's move on to the fourth one now. Which of the following games are played with a rope? Is it flying disc, skipping, hide and seek, or Scrabble? The correct answer is skipping. We need a rope to skip, right? So we will put a tick here. Okay, let's come to the last one now. Dash is a board game. Okay, is it carom? Is it badminton? Is it cycling or is it volleyball? For which game do we need a board? Yes, you are right. We need a board for carom. So we will put a tick here and we can even write the spelling here of carom. C A double R O M. We need a carom board to play carom. Okay, scholars, here we've completed this exercise. I hope you all enjoyed this exercise. So, the worksheet and assignment related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.